just finished up doing a big earthwork job. Had to go in and add on to this guy's pond, fix his entire yard, disc, crate, build a house pad, get ready to build him a custom home, you know.
Welcome. We're at a job recently completed by Stricklin PorterConstruction. Started this job by building this road into here, raised the parking area, came in here with our I-dozer, set it up, set all the land to grade where it would drain.
He's got a pond in the back. We made it larger, took the dirt, built a house pad, fixed the yard, disced the entire yard, got the yard draining. Big pad right here, right off the side of the highway. It's far enough back, you know, the kids would be safe, and I think we're gonna put a gate on the entrance also. So really excited about this project. Looking forward to getting it complete.
We set this culvert, we set the drainage where all the water will drain off the property down into the existing ditch. Before we was able to put this limestone road in, we came through here, cleared this out, mulched it, and got it ready for grade. We added a significant amount of size to this pond. We also built in overflow drainage to the existing drainage, and we added another culvert to cross this road.
This place right here, beautiful place. Now, it was 6 foot tall in weeds. We come in, we mulched everything, cleaned everything up, all the dirt work, drainage, new driveway, about to build a state-of-the-art custom home. That's something we can offer for you. You can have your own land, your own financing, and we can come in and just do the work for you. So if you're looking to improve your place, build your custom home on your land, all you have to do is call us at 225-612-2400, Stricklin & Porter Construction, and we'll take care of you.